In this meal, we're going to make barbecue pork ribs. Here is the ribs that I had the Amish. They raised my hogs for me, and they butchered it. But then we brought all the meat home and finished processing it and wrapping it and stuff. So we're going to use that. Now, I also have my homemade, this is seasoning mix that I usually put on my steaks and hamburger or roast and stuff. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to rub some of that on here, and then I'm going to grill these. And once I grill them, then I'm going to put them in this roaster here. In this roaster, you'll see I'm going to lay the spare ribs up on the rack here. Well, I wanted them up a little higher so they're not touching the bottom. So I'm going to steam, after I get them off the grill, I'm going to steam the spare ribs on here. Now, to bring it up higher, what I did here, I used my canning rings to lift it up. So that way it's not touching the bottom. Then I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to use some liquid smoke down in there and probably let them steam 3 or 4 hours until they're tender. Now, once I do that, then I'm going to take them out of the roaster, clean up the roaster, and then I will put them in barbecue sauce and let them cook in barbecue sauce. Now, the barbecue sauce is the only thing I will say is not my recipe. I love Big Family Homestead's barbecue sauce, and I have their cookbooks. And so I wanted to tell you that the recipe for this homemade barbecue sauce here is in the Big Family Homestead cookbook. Now this is the seasoning sauce. Like I said, about half of it I've grown the seasoning, make my stuff myself, especially the peppers or some of the herbs and stuff. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on. I'm always afraid of getting too much. But let me pat this down. I got the grill already heating up. Okay, now let's take these out to the grill and put them on the grill. I'm not much of a cook when it comes to on the grill, but we'll give it a shot here and see what happens. It's a pretty windy day out here. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm just going to do these enough to get them good and brown. Let's check on these. Oh, they smell good. Yep, that's what I want right here. That's what I want. Let me shut this off. Give them that grilled taste. Oh, it's going to be good. Like I said, I'm not much of a cook. Believe it or not, I can raise the food and grow it and whew. Okay, here we go. Now we'll go put them into the cooker. I already got my water and my liquid smoke. So now we're just going to put these in right on top the rack. That way it's not directly in the water. And we will steam these for about 3 or 4 hours until they're tender. Uh-oh, upside down. Hot, 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 hot. I'll try not to let them touch the sides here so they don't cook either. Let's do it this way. Oh. There we go. There they are. So I'll put the lid on them and I'll keep an eye on them so it doesn't go dry. And I believe my son said about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, here's what we do with our, we're making barbecue chicken wings, and what else?
We are doing some spicy garlic, spicy chili pepper, and some Parmesan garlic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the package, you want to show them that package down there? Lift it up. Okay, we package them. Oh, that's the legs.
Yeah,
You doing legs too?
We
Oh.
got some thighs, and we
Okay.
got some wings.
All right.
Drums and flats.
All right, so you're taking them out of the package and that and drying them off.
Drying them off.
All right.
Season them up with a little bit of, what we got, salt, pepper, and garlic.
Okay.
Drop them in the smoker, bring them out and sauce them up.
How long are they in the smoker for, about, average?
We haven't had wings this big yet, so.
Oh.
1 to 2 hours.
Well, if you don't like the wings, next time we'll eliminate our starve our chickens or eliminate them a couple weeks earlier. Now continue.
Well, alright, so Steve here is we're adding all the seasoning. We just got done patting it dry. Seasoning for flavor. So we finish that up, we're sticking it in the smoker. What are we putting it on about?
What is that?
225.
What is that sound?
My phone.
Oh no. Darn that phone. Okay, and you're doing that now? You're putting that seasoning on and
Yeah, we're done doing the seasoning. We'll put it in the smoker at 225. Maybe about an hour, and then we'll crank up the heat a little bit higher. Maybe another half an hour.
okay.
Get a little more crispier exterior.
Oh.
The pellet hopper, we use apple pellets. It's nice.
Good smoky taste.
Nice light smoke taste for poultry.
Oh, okay. Can you use it for beef too, or?
Usually pork and chicken. Hickory is a good beef.
Okay. All right.
Can we use just?
Oh, I don't care. Go for it.
You notice that it takes 2 men to put chicken on a grill versus a woman putting just one?
It's not a grill.
Oh, all right. My son corrected me. It's not a grill. It's a smoker? Okay. Mom was wrong again.
I got some on.
Oh.
This is a flat.
Greg, did Ken tell you we almost burnt the camper down? We noticed it.
So those prongs there, they're
Yeah.
the temperature, right? And
Yep.
so the temperature is one's 141.
Yeah, that's the
168.
drums. The
Okay.
drums take a little longer.
Oh, the pipe that
Okay, that's neat.
comes out with the.
I'm gonna cook them in here.
Gotcha. All right, so yeah, all we're doing now is
Saucing
Yep,
them.
basting with the sauce. The flat's just about done. The drum's still got a little ways to cook yet. Yeah, I got the oven heating up, so.
Yeah, go ahead, say it. No.
Just mark it. I'll eat it. It's still good. Holy crap, it's hot.
You know how the,
I'll eat it.
Anyways,
Oh, it's good.
watch out for those jacks. You might be smoking.
We should go back and ask some guys if you got balance beats in my tires, why is there still wheel weights on my wheels?
Is there wheel weights on it? I didn't pay attention.
Yeah, there is.